Welcome back, and today we are going to decorate our waterfall mini journal in Christmas style, and I am starting off with the paper dolls. As you can see, you do not have to use the paper dolls. In total, you can use a part of it. I laid down all my scraps, little bits and pieces, mostly with text or numbers on it. And for the people who do not have the Tim Holtz snippets, this is a good way to create your own little snippets. I am playing around with some pieces, and I am playing until I am happy with the result. And when you are happy, it's time to glue everything down in place. And that is what I do for all the little cards in this waterfall, playing around until you are satisfied with the result. To create a varied look, I decided to decorate the first and third card a little bit the same, and that also goes for the second and the fourth card, just to give it a little bit of a matching look. And like Tim says, it is all in the details. That also goes for this. It's a little label from the Christmas release. And of course, I wanted to be decorated. I went into my stash and I found a little stamp that fits perfectly. And this is what it looks like, totally fold out. And of course, I also want to decorate the front of the waterfall. What I do mostly is get out some materials and lay it flat on my table to look at. And so it will give you some motivation and inspiration to work with. And like these little things, I just told you to make your own snippets, but you don't have to use your materials in whole, like I did with the paper dolls. You can use the legs or the head. In this case, with the Christmas branch, or like this, a little piece of the ephemera pack, you can just cut off the piece that you really desire. And remember, you do not have to use a stamp as a whole. You can use it just partially. In this case, I am using the text on the stamp and not the flower. Do not doubt on mixing and matching your stamp set, because I always use like the correspondence set and the field notes set, and I really love a piece of the mini glitch, this one. And yeah, you can mix and match whatever you want and feel like will fit your theme. As soon as you are happy with the result, repeat your steps on the other cards to give it a matching look. I really love the label tape, and when you have seen videos of me before, you will probably know what I'm going to say. The label tape is very dark colored. It's black and white text, and it really gives contrast in your work. I really missed something on the inside of the cards. Just to be sure, you never have to fully decorate in once. You can always get back to your project a day later or a week later. And when you notice something that you're maybe not happy about, or you think, well, that is way too empty, just go back in and decorate some more. And I will do that right now. I really wanted some contrast. For me, contrast is with some lighter tones and darker tones. So I came out with this black and white theme for the inside of the cards. You can think about bringing some ink colors back in your project. Because it is a Christmas theme, you can think about browns, reds, blues and greens. As soon as you like your layout, it is time to glue it down. What I did on the cards with the paper dolls, I am trying to repeat here too. I chose the first and fourth card to do a little bit similar, and also the second and the third card similar. I am getting towards the end of this project, and I am looking for some gaps and white areas, and you can fill that with your stamps or maybe some snippets. When you like my videos, I would love for you to like, comment or subscribe to my channel or become a patron of mine. Thank you for watching. Bye!